Yeah, hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group as well as a Facebook group. Both these two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present video, here we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies advertisement from the three different colleges. So here the UGC is not mandatory. Okay, so only with PG also you can apply for this post, guys. So let us see the details regarding these advertisements. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. So here first we will see this advertisement, guys. So Atsul's Technical Campus, Faculty of Engineering and MBA. So approved by AICTE New Delhi, Maharashtra, walk-in interview. So here the different departments are mentioned. Civil, Computer, Electrical, ENTC, Mechanical, Physics, Chemistry, Mathematics, MBA. So here this many number of vacancies are there coming to the assistant professor, associate and the professor vacancies. Okay, you may check down here. And ME PhD or ME qualified and experienced candidates will be preferred and they will be offered attractive pay scale. Education qualification, experience and eligibility is as per the AICTE New Delhi. That means ME with PhD or ME qualified and experienced candidates will be preferred. That means the freshers can also apply. And the schedule for interview is as follows: 21st Feb 2021 Sunday morning 10 o'clock. And the place of interview is Atsul coaching classes. Okay, here the address is also given here, and the documents required are all original documents, 2 sets of attested Xerox copies and 2 photographs. And the interested candidates may send their resume to email ID that is provided here. Atsul, that is ADSUL technicalcampus@gmail.com. Okay, so it is the email ID, guys. So if you are having the post graduation in these departments without UGC NET or with UGC NET or PhD, then send your resume to this provided mail ID here. And if you're having any queries regarding this advertisement, here the mobile number is also given here, 9850285558. So you may contact to that mobile number also, guys. So it is a one advertisement from one college. And coming to the second one, it is another advertisement, guys, that you may check down. So Gain Jyoti Girls College, Sangat, affiliated to Punjabi University, Patiala. So requires the following staff on regular basis. So Principal 1, Assistant Professor in the subject of English, History, Economics, Mathematics, Political Science, Physical Education, Computer Science, Punjabi, Fashion Designing, Management, Librarian, and Office Superintendent also required. So eligible candidates in accordance with the qualification conditions laid down by the Punjabi University, Patiala. Interested candidates can apply within 15 days. A copy of application to send to Dean, Punjab University, Patiala. Okay, so 15 days means actually we got this notification on Feb 13th, guys, that is today. So if you are having any queries regarding this notification, then here the contact number is also there, that is 90560 So you may contact this number, guys. Okay, so here also same thing, if you are having the post graduation, then you may apply to this post, guys. And next, welcome to the third one, Mata Guruji Memorial College of Education. So Balwanda, applications are invited within 15 days through registered post on regular basis for assistant professor in pedagogy of history, and the qualification grades and reservations are as per the UGC. Okay, and non-net qualified candidates will also be eligible for the assistant professor post. So apply within complete testimonial to President, Mata Guruji Memorial College of Education, Balwanda, and PO. Okay, so here the address is also given. So if you are having any doubts regarding this notification, please once visit the official website of this college, okay, and go to the contact and then contact them. Okay, so these are the requirements, guys. So it is the official website of the Mata Guruji Memorial College of Education, as I shown you right now. So in this official website, if you scroll down, then you may get here the contacts. Okay, the mail ID as well as the contact is also there. So if you're having any query regarding this advertisement, then you may contact this number, guys. Okay, So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are looking for such type of opportunities, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues. Okay. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So please listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.